Hello everyone, in this video tutorial we will guide you on how to use Google Drive to sell digital products online. So, let's dive right in. While Google Drive excels at storage and collaboration, it lacks features specifically designed for selling digital products. Here's a basic workflow. Upload your product. Start by uploading your digital product, ebook, template, software, to your Google Drive. Shareable link with restrictions. Right-click the file and choose Get Shareable Link. Important, don't use the default Anyone with the link can edit option. Instead, change it to Anyone with the link can view. This grants access, but restricts editing. Delivery and payment. Here's where it gets trickier. You'll need a separate platform to handle payments and product delivery. There are two main approaches. Manual delivery. You can create a sales page or listing elsewhere, where customers can purchase your product. Once a purchase is confirmed, manually through email or another method, you can share the Google Drive link with the buyer. Third-party integration. There are services like WP Express Checkout that integrate with Google Drive. These services can automate the process by generating unique download links for each purchase. And there you have it. By using this method, you can use Google Drive to sell digital products online. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.